Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Aviara 2022 32. It's a beautiful boat, and it's the color scheme on this one is just absolutely spectacular. It's the first time I've seen it with the black and the white. It's just really sharp. This is one of the coolest boats you're going to see on the water. It's powered by the twin Mercury 300, so this boat is you've got a top end of around 50 miles an hour, and it's just great power. The motors are real quiet, very little vibration on it, so all around great package. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 32 Aviara, and let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the new Mercs twin 300s, fast motors, great hole shot, great top end as well, close to a 50 mile an hour boat, so plenty of power for the boat. But the back of the boat is extremely cool for hanging out. It does all kinds of different things. You can have you have one big sun pad here, or the backs will all come up like this. And then the stadium seating here, you can have people sitting here, and then all three of these come up, and you can have 6 people, actually a little bit more than that, probably 7 people comfortably hanging out in the back of the boat. So this back of the boat is very cool. Drink holders, remote control for the stereo. Then I've got in here, we've got really convenient place. A lot of times there is not a convenient place to put the fenders, so you got all 4 fenders readily accessible for you to use, not in the way, not getting all tangled up and everything else. So great feature. So we move in, you've got the L-shaped seating, so very spacious, very comfortable seating. You got drink holders all throughout. The stereo is a rocking stereo on this boat. They've got the speakers concealed. You've got storage with a cooler, so out of the way. Again, nice feature. So storage under the seats. And then as we move over to the starboard side, we've got a prep area. You've got the sink. You've got bottle holders in here. You've got a cooler in here. Just prep area in here. You can keep all kinds of things as far as storage. Keeps them dry. And then huge storage in here. So putting your backpacks and those type of things in there that you want to keep dry. So that's where plenty of room to put all that. So we move to the helm area. What a beautiful helm this is. It's just neat. It's clean. Just a really nice setup. There's not dials and gauges all over the place. Convenient place to put the cell phone in here. And you do have the joystick, which does everything great. I mean, if I can move the boat sideways with it, I have 100% control of this boat. It's incredible. Then you have the sky hook button. So if I'm waiting for a slip assignment, if I'm waiting to go into a restaurant or that type of thing, I could just hit the sky hook. It locks me in position. I can just relax. I can talk with everybody else. I'm not moving around. And lastly, if I've got the sunset, I point the bow at the sunset. You can go in the bow. You can have a nice glass of wine. You're always facing the sunset, so it's just a fantastic option. And then the last thing that it does, it has auto heading. It's a point and shoot auto heading where you just point the boat where you want it to go. You hit it, and it takes you directly there, which is just a great option. And as we move into the head area, it's really a good size head. So you've got a lot of headroom. I mean, I can stand up in here. Which a lot of boats this size you can't comfortably stand up. So nicely appointed. The sea deck even down in the head, which is nice. The gray sea deck just matches the black and the white and everything else. The color schemes are just gorgeous. And we move up to the bow. Just comfy up here as well, so you can put a couple people comfortable here. So you can probably put five adults comfortably up front. Drink holders all throughout. Speakers for the stereo. You've got pole holders for the sun top, which goes up and goes all the way to the hard top. So that'll give you diffuse the sunlight. So if you don't want the sun, cuts out about half of the sunlight. So that's a nice feature. You do have the automatic shade that goes off the back. You hit the switch, it covers the whole back seating area, which is very cool as well. So this boat is at the top end of the cool factor. It's just it runs great, it looks great, it's different. So if you've got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.